The house I live in is over 20 years. Very recently, this toilet door has been catching on the tile floor when I opened the door nearly 3/4 of the way in. So what I'm gonna do in this video is show you how I fix that sagging door. There's generally 3 ways to fix a sagging door. The first is to check if the door hinge is pulled outwards and is no longer flush with the door jamb. In that case, just screw in all 3 screws to pull that hinge back in. The second way is to unscrew this top screw and then use a long screw, say 75mm screw, so that with the longer depth it's able to pull this hinge in. The third and last method involves working inside the room. Shut the door completely. Use shims on the door opening and at the bottom of the door to get the door to the correct opening allowance. And then remove this pin completely and either bend the hinges on the door jamb side inwards or bend the hinges on the door itself outwards. To start, I've put shims under the door. Just get it nice and tight. This way, when I remove the pin from the top door hinge, the door's not gonna drop. I'm gonna use a nail punch to remove the pin from the door hinge. The pin is out. That's the pin. I'm going to use a vice grip to bend this 1, 2, 3 hinges back towards the door jamb. There is not enough space for me to get the vice grip behind there to pull it, so instead I'm going to use a larger nail punch. Right, let's see if that little bit help. That's done it. Just that simple tiny little shift in the door hinge inwards. It's probably just a millimeter shift, and that's taken the bottom of the door up away from the tile. So it's fixed. Just hammer this in a bit more. And next time give it a coat of paint. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful how to do a simple fix. I'd rather fix it from the hinge, which is solving the actual problem, then do the first 2 simple methods. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and to help my channel grow. Thank you so much.